No, Sweetie Pea.
Sweetie Pea.
Is she a good rabbit?
Good rabbit? Mm-hmm.
What does he do? What does he do?
You gotta say up. Hyper. Hyper.
Right. What does he do?
Okay, I got to scratch and jump up. I can catch him.
Mhm.
Very high.
Mhm.
I gotta put mine on my shoulder.
Mhm. Is that your baby?
I gotta put on my head.
Don't, honey. What if he has to go potty? That's why he's called Hyper, because he's always kicking.
Yeah, like me, I kick. I can do certain tricks like this, you know, my Easter buddy.
Mhm.
See?
Oh, yeah. Pretty good. Guys, can you scoot back?
I got
Thank
it like
you.
that. Look at
Like a baby? Mhm.
Look it.
Yep, don't let him fall, Brandon.
We
You
got
had
it.
those guys for a long time now, huh? Scoot
Yeah,
back.
we got it for the cost. I got $40 to buy these Easter bunnies.
Right.
And the one cost $30.
Brandon, you don't need to say that on
Look
tape.
it.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
See?
Yeah.
It's a hyper. See?
Yeah. Back
Bad-
away from me.
Bad boy hyper.
Go sit with them, guys.
What's my Easter bunny?
Hyper doesn't like being carried around.
Mommy, I put my Easter bunny on my bear.
No, don't put him on